after the installation, I hope you have already installed Python. So after the installation, let us check if it is correctly installed or not. How to check? Okay. So what you'll do, you will press Windows and R. Okay. What you will press? Windows and R. Okay. So you'll get this one. Okay. So you can see this. We will type there CMD. That is for command prompt. Okay. Nothing else. Okay. We got such a screen. Okay. Now we will type Python. If it's not installed, it will show some error, Python not found, file not found, and all these. See, it's showing Python 3.13, and these three pink arrows, these depict that you are now inside Python command prompt. Now we can try it. Okay, how do we print something? We write just print hello world. Since it's in the command prompt, this console window, that's why we can only write single lines. Okay, whatever you write in a single line and enter, once you press the enter, then that will be executed. So I am pressing enter. Okay, this is what hello world. See, it printed hello world. Now let me show you another some another message. Hi. Okay, done. Okay, it's printing hi. Now let me do something like this and some error. Okay, I'm missing the quotes. Okay, intentionally. Let's show what does it shows. Okay, it is showing what? Unterminated string literal. Okay, we'll be learning Python now, so we'll be studying all these things. So it shows error like this. Okay, syntax error. Now one more interesting thing about this is you don't need to use plus sorry print always. You can write like this. Okay, it can be used as a calculator like this. Okay, see what's it giving. Now again, suppose any number, I'm choosing any number randomly. Good, very good. Now this divided by suppose 7. Yeah, it's giving us an output. Okay, by default it will always give a float value, right? And another thing, all the operators I'm showing you done, and we're left with what? Subtraction. That will also be done. So you can use. Now how to exit this one? You simply type exit and you will be out of that. See here, you're out of this. Done. Now this is the way how to check if Python is installed in your system or not, and the version is also mentioned here. See, it's also writing type, help, copyright, and all these things. Please try these things, or else I'll show you Python. We are again inside Python. It asking, see, help. Okay, it's a help function, and now it is giving you, see, you can write q, quit, or exit, anything to exit this one. You can search for any keywords. Okay, inside help, if suppose I am searching for print, what is, it will show all the things, how, what is print, what is the print function, what all things does it use, and all these things, right? Okay, that's all for the checking of Python. Okay, now we'll be soon starting the classes for Python from the basics, very easy and from the basics. If you have any doubts or any issues, please do comment. I'll always solve those things. Okay, have a good day, keep coding.